Hello students, very good morning. Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today for class 9 students, we are going to discuss assignment number 70 on multiple and submultiple angles. Let us start with the first question. If tan theta plus pi by 3 plus tan theta plus 2 pi by 3 is equal to 3, then which of the following is equal to 1? Okay, so that's what he is asking us. Now, for that solution, if you say this tan pi theta plus pi by 3 is okay, let me try to write tan theta plus 2 pi by 3 in this way. This one I will write as tan pi minus of pi by 3 minus theta. See, pi minus pi by 3, this is 2 pi by 3, minus of minus is plus theta. So, the same value here, but form we are changing. What is tan pi minus pi by 3 minus theta? Tan 180 minus theta is minus tan pi by 3 minus theta. Okay, so wherever you have tan theta plus 2 pi by 3, in place of that, what you can write? Minus tan pi by 3 minus theta. This is tan pi by 3 plus theta, and this is tan pi by 3 minus theta. Okay, using this, if you expand it, you will get certain result. Using that result, we can answer it. Let us see what we are going to get. What do you have now? Tan theta plus tan pi by 3 plus theta. Okay, minus tan pi by 3 minus theta. This is what we have. That is LHS part. This LHS part, let me call it as LHS part. That LHS part we have to simplify. So what do you have now? Tan theta plus, this is in the form of tan of a plus b. Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b means tan pi by 3, that is root 3, plus tan theta by 1 minus tan a tan b, that is 1 minus root 3 tan theta. Similarly here we have, it is in the form of tan a minus b. So here we have root 3 minus tan theta by here 1 plus root 3 tan theta. Now this is to be simplified. That is otherwise tan theta plus, what is the LCM of these two? Product of the denominators. This is in the form of a plus b to a minus b. That is simply 1 minus 3 tan square theta. That is the denominator. So if you multiply these two, you are going to have root 3 plus tan theta into 1 plus root 3 tan theta. Okay, minus of root 3 minus tan theta into here 1 minus root 3 tan theta. That is what we have in the numerator. Now this is to be simplified. So that is tan theta plus, if you simplify this part, root 3 times of 1, that is root 3 plus 3 tan theta plus tan theta plus root 3 tan square theta. Okay, here if you multiply, that is minus root 3 plus 3 tan theta. Next, plus tan theta minus root 3 tan square theta. This is numerator part, and denominator we have 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Fine. Any cancellations? Here root 3 cancels, and again root 3 tan square theta minus root 3 tan square theta cancels, and we are left with LCM part. If you take as 1 minus 3 tan square theta, so we are going to have here tan theta minus 3 tan cube theta. Here 3 tan theta plus tan theta, that is 4 tan theta, 4 plus 3 7, 4 plus 3 7, then again 8, so that is 8 tan theta. Okay, so if at all you take 3 common in numerator, you are going to have 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. If you look at this, 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta is an expansion of tan 3 theta. So this is all becoming 3 into tan 3 theta. This entire expression value is 3 into tan 3 theta. Now let us see. So this entire expression is becoming what? 3 into tan 3 theta. That is becoming 3. Fine. Now 3 cancels. That implies tan 3 theta value is how much for us? 1. So tan 3 theta is 1. So which of the following is 1? So that is tan 3 theta. Second option, right? Let us see the next question. A is equal to sin square theta plus cos power 4 theta. Then for all values of theta, where? What is the right option in this? Here, what is A? A is sin square theta plus cos power 4 theta. Let us write as cos square theta whole square, or else it can be written as 1 minus sin square theta, that is the value of cos square theta square as usual. If I simplify this, this is going to be sin square theta plus 1 minus 2 sin square theta plus sin power 4 theta, right? That is otherwise 1 minus sin square theta plus sin power theta, sin power 4 theta, right? That is otherwise 1 minus, if you take sin square theta common, you are going to have 1 minus sin square theta, that is nothing but cos square theta plus. Okay, now what I am trying to do, I am trying to multiply and divide with 4 here. Then this result becomes sin square 2 theta, because sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. Anyway, you have square there, so sin square 2 theta. If sin square 2 theta maximum and minimum if you take, okay, if sin 2 theta is 0, if theta is 0, okay, so a will be 1 minus 0, that is 1. So this will be the maximum value. Okay, if theta is equal to, see, sin 2 theta 1 means theta must be how much? Pi by 4. If theta is pi by 4, a is going to be 1 minus here 1 by 4. Why it is 1 by 4? Sin 2 theta becomes 1, so 1 minus 1 by 4. That becomes 3 by 4. What is this? Minimum value. That is a minimum value. So a is the value between 3 by 4 and 1. 3 by 4 and 1. That is nothing but second option for us. That is the right answer. Let us see the next question. If tan alpha by 2, tan beta by 2 are the roots of 8x square minus 26x plus 15 is 0, then what is the value of cos of alpha plus beta? First, we are given that these two are the roots of this equation. So, first let us find out sum of the roots. Tan alpha by 2 plus tan beta by 2. How much is that? Minus of minus, that is plus 26 by 8. Plus 26 by 8. So 26 by 8 is nothing but 13 upon 4. That is sum of the roots. What is product of the roots? Tan alpha by 2 into tan beta by 2. Product of the roots if you take, that is nothing but c by a. C is constant by a means x square coefficient. 15 by 8. That's it. Now what do you need now? Let us find out tan of alpha plus beta by 2. That is nothing but tan alpha by 2 plus tan beta by 2 by 1 minus tan alpha by 2 into tan beta by 2. That is 13 by 4 by 1 minus 15 by 8. 15 by 8. So it is nothing but minus 26 by 7. Because 8 minus 15 is minus 7. 8 means it goes up, so 2 times of 13, that is 26. Minus 26 by 7 is the value of tan of alpha plus beta by 2. What is your requirement? You need cos alpha plus beta. How to do that? Cos alpha plus beta is given as, cos theta is given as 1 minus tan square theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. 1 minus tan square theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Already we have tan alpha plus beta by 2 as 26 by 7. So that is 1 minus 26 square, that is 676 by 49 by 1 plus 676 by 49. If I simplify that, 49 minus 676, that is 627 minus half by, this is 725. So that resultant answer is minus 627 by 725. That is fourth option for us. That is the right answer. Right? Let us see the next question. If 2 secant 2 theta is tan phi plus cot phi, then one of the values of theta plus phi is, what is given for us? 2 secant 2 theta is given as tan phi plus cot phi. Okay, so what is tan phi plus cot phi? It can be written as sin phi by cos phi plus cos phi by sin phi. If I simplify that, it is going to be, denominator is cos phi into sin phi. Numerator is sin square phi plus cos square phi. That is 1. This is the value of 2 secant 2 theta. So secant 2 theta is equal to 2 is sent to the other side. 1 by 2 cos alpha sin phi. That is nothing but sin 2 phi. 1 by sin 2 phi is nothing but cosecant 2 phi. Cosecant 2 phi. Now, whenever you have such relation, you can say 2 theta is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 phi, because secant pi by 2 minus 2 phi is only cosecant 2 phi. So I can say pi by 2 minus 2 pi. So transpose it here, that is 2 times of theta plus pi, that is pi by 2. Therefore theta plus pi value is equal to how much? Pi by 4 for us. So theta plus pi is pi by 4, that is second option. Okay, so that is the end of this assignment. Thank you. Have a great day.